Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back. All right, let's start number corner. We're going to start writing our date. So we know that the month is April, and we know that we write a number 4 to represent April. And then what day of the month is it? Yesterday was the 8th. So what does that make today? That's right, boys and girls, it's the 9th. And then the year is 2020. So when we write it, we write APR to abbreviate April 9th, 2020. And then what day of the week is it, boys and girls? Yesterday was Wednesday, so today is, that's right, today's Thursday. So let's say our date. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. All right, let's look at our calendar grid observations. Let's look at there and try and predict what we think will be on today's calendar marker. So on Monday, we had a hexagon that was not symmetrical. On Tuesday, we had a rectangle that was symmetrical. And then on Wednesday, we had a triangle that was symmetrical. Remember, we said it's symmetrical if it can fold into at least 2 equal parts. So what do we think today's will be? All right, let's look at it. What is this, boys and girls? Remember, when we don't know the shape off the top of our heads, we can count the sides. So let's count how many sides this shape has. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. So we know that that shape is a quadrilateral. Okay? So I have a quadrilateral, and we're going to see if we can fold it into 2 equal parts. So if I fold it from the top to the bottom, is that 2 equal parts? No. What if I fold it down this way? Is that 2 equal parts? No. So this shape is not symmetrical because it cannot be folded into 2 equal parts. All right, boys and girls. So let's look at this. Let's see if we can find a pattern in our calendar markers. This one, our hexagon, was not symmetrical, but our rectangle was symmetrical. Our triangle was symmetrical, but our quadrilateral today is not symmetrical. I want you to try and think about what patterns you're noticing. All right, boys and girls, let's talk about how many days we've been in school. Yesterday was 141 days. How many days have we been in school today? That's right, 142 days. So I'm going to add a dot to our tens frame. And a X to our hundreds grid. All right, boys and girls, how can I write 142 in expanded form? The 1 in the hundreds place represents 100. The 4 represents 10, 20, 30, 40. And the 2 in the ones place represents 1, 2. 100 plus 40 plus 2 equals 142. Good job, boys and girls. All right, so for today, your activity is going to be balancing equations. So remember back in class when we talked about the equal sign. What does the equal sign mean? It means that what's on this side of the equation is the same as what's on this side of the equation. All right? So let's look at our tens frames. I'm going to take all of our dots off of them, and I'm going to put 2 tens frames. Okay? So we're going to say, so on this equation, well, let's do this one first. On this equation, we have 7. So I'm going to put 7, 7, and then it says we're going to add 3, 7 plus 3. Boys and girls, that's one of our combinations that we should just know on the top of our head. We know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay? And then on this equation, it says blank plus 5. And we want this side to be the same as what's on this side. So 5 plus what equals 10? Let's see. So I'm going to add my 5. Oops. Here, I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus what do we need so that they will be the same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 7 plus 3 is the same as, remember the equal sign just means what's on this side is the same as what's on this side. 7 plus 3 is the same as 5 plus 5. This equals 10 and this equals 10. So it's a balanced equation. All right? And then let's look at this one. Let's see if we can do it without the tens frame. So this says 2 plus 4 equals what? That's right. This one equals, this is 6. So then, in order to make this the same as this, what do we need to add to the 3? That's right. We know 3 plus 3 is a double. We know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 2 plus 4 is the same as 3 plus 3. So you have several equations that you're going to work on and answer, and I will look forward to seeing your work. See you later, boys and girls.